how can you come to any conclusion other than, if anything, she's reckless?
Well, the trial for a Strongsville teen charged with murder in a deadly crash is going on today, day one. Mackenzie Shirilla, at the time 17 years old, is accused of intentionally crashing a vehicle, killing her 2 passengers. Our Kaitor K is with us now. He has more on what he saw today in court in opening arguments. Kaitor?
So Shirilla appeared in court today with her right arm wrapped in a sling, and as soon as the prosecutor began the opening arguments narrating the details of the deadly crash, she broke down into tears.
6:15 in the morning, Strongsville police and emergency personnel received a 911 call.
Opening arguments for the trial of Mackenzie Shirilla, facing charges of murder, felonious assault, and aggravated vehicular homicide for a crash in northwest Strongsville in July 2022. The prosecution saying the then 17-year-old was driving with her boyfriend, 20-year-old Dominic Russo, and his 19-year-old friend, Davion Flanagan, in the car when she intentionally crashed the vehicle and killed her 2 young passengers. The prosecutor says right before the crash, Shirilla was going 100 miles per hour, showing surveillance footage of the high-speed incident to the courtroom. The prosecution saying it plans to present a witness who alleges they heard Shirilla threaten Russo's life in the weeks before the crash.
That he observed at that time the defendant striking Dominic Russo with both hands, and that he overheard her make a statement, an admissible statement, and she said, "Dominic, I'm going to crash this car." We find that it is especially and important to her state of mind just 2 weeks later when she used a car to kill Dominic Russo.
But the defense says the crash wasn't purposeful, and if anything, Shirilla was being reckless, and there are many possibilities to the cause, including the deployment of the side airbags.
That it's a significant force.
Among many others.
Is it just kids being kids? Is it Dominic grabbing the steering wheel? Is it Mackenzie maybe speeding and say, "Oh my God, dark out, it's late, I'm coming up to this, I better do something," and she goes like that to avoid an accident, not acting purposely, but in fact trying to avoid it? Is it sudden acceleration, panic? Those are all possibilities.
After the opening arguments, both sides began cross-examining several first responders to the crash scene while analyzing body camera video. The prosecution says Dominic Russo's mother and brother will be testifying at some point in this trial. Christy.
So obviously there's going to be a lot of analysis of the text messages and medical records in this case. It's the interpretation that leaves some room for liberties to come in, right? Not always so clear-cut?
That's right. For example, Shirilla told a medical professional that she wanted to die and it was her fault for killing her boyfriend. While the prosecution is saying that shows intentionality with the crash, the defense claims Shirilla was just expressing guilt by association because she happened to be the driver in the accident, but not that she wanted it to happen. So with many of these things, I guess it depends on how you look at it.
Okay. Kaitor K, we appreciate the update. Thank you.